Hello and welcome back. It's Paul here from Neuraladx Ltd. In this video, I'm just going to give you a brief run through of how the AI citation tracking software that we use works. So if we now bring our attention to the screen, I'm going to take you to the first section, which is our prompts. So for the test case for this explanation, I'm going to use our company Neuraladx Ltd. And I'm going to show you the search terms, aka prompts, that we are using on this software so we can find out if our company name is being mentioned and if indeed our company is being cited, and therefore our URL links are being provided to the user so they can potentially click on that and utilize our services and purchase our products. So in this prompts window, you can see we've constructed 9, but to give you an example of, say, one of them in relation to our industry, a key question that we would like to show up for is what is the cost of generative engine optimization in the UK? That's obviously a very, very pertinent question for a generative engine optimization company like ourselves. And we certainly want to be number one ideally. And we also would like to have our website cited and the URL provided to the user so they could see our pricing and then go onto our website, look at our services, etc., and hopefully move forward from there. So that's an example of one of the prompts. All the other 9 prompts here are again relative to our industry for search terms, aka prompts that we wish to be visible and we wish for clients to find our website in regards to. Okay, so now that we've input these prompts into this software system, you can then go to the brand report, and in the brand report, it will give you the information on how often your brand has been named and how often your website pages have been cited and provided to the user as an answer to that prompt. So let's now load up the report. Just to add, the report is updated and refreshed every single day. So it is very accurate, which is another key factor with this software. So just explaining here, these prompts are located in the United Kingdom and they are in relation to the following 4 AI platforms. So you've got ChatGPT, Google AI Overview, Perplexity, and Microsoft Co-Pilot. Then what you can see down the bottom here is you can see our 5 main competitors. So in the generative engine optimization business, we have a company called Topic, ClickSlice, Bird Marketing, Phrase, and Surfer. And then, of course, ourselves, Neuraladx, that are the sort of main competitors in the field. If we look on the top right-hand side, you can see the brand mentions, which is a number of times your brand appeared in AI answers out of total track prompts. So what that basically means is that your company name has been written in the actual AI response, and that's all. And so for ourselves, in this regard, we've had 1 brand mention. The company Topic is doing very well with 62. And then you have the other competition, ClickSlice have 4 and Bird Marketing have 4. Okay. Then if we move further down, it provides you with the ranking position from 1 to 10. We come in at number 4 here, where we have 1 mention, which was stipulated above there. And we also have the share of voice of 1%. So on 1% of the actual answers, our company will be mentioned. Okay. Now, if we move further down, we get to the section which for me is what I see as where the rubber hits the road. And this is the citations. And this is the holy grail, if you like, of generative engine optimization. It's where the AI platform is responding to the user and providing your company's link to your website. And that's exactly what we're all looking for. So as we can see in this ranking system from 1 to 10, These are the most popular URLs that the AI platforms are providing to the users in regards to those 9 prompts that we looked at earlier. And I'm very, very pleased to see here that in 2 of these top 10 is our company Neuraladx Ltd. So we're there at number 6 with 18 citations on one of our URLs. And then in position number 8, we have 15 citations on that URL. So that's brilliant feedback. Then if we move further down, you can see the domain coverage over time. So this is the ranking of top domains based on number of citations over a selected time period. So this time period is from the 18th of November to the 30th of November. We're now currently the 1st of December is when this video is being made. So we have a 12-day analysis here. So you can see from this pop-up window, you've got us Neuraladx in blue, Exposure Ninja in green, Phrase.io in orange, and you get the gist of it from there. If you can see with this line graph, Neuraladx, being ourselves, is heavily dominant in the citation rankings. If we look in the top right-hand side, which if I put the cursor over this, the number of times your website was cited on AI engines, you can see Neuraladx, we have 103 citations, which is quite frankly spectacular. And our closest competitor has 16 citations. So we are significantly outperforming them. And then in regards to the total citation share, as it stipulates here, percentage of your domain citations compared to all total domain citations, we have 7% of the market share. So that's incredible. Further down on this software, another nice little touch. It offers you the top 3 most popular URLs that are being given from AI platforms to users in regards to your website. So these particular URLs, you want to keep in mind to keep them refreshed and as optimal as possible because they are bearing the most fruit for you. Okay. Now, if we scroll further down, you can see here it has domain citations ranking from 1 to 10. And once again, you can see here Neuraladx, we are number 1 with a total citations of 62, and that's 4% of the market share in that regard. You can get a full report here, which also breaks down for you where the citations are deriving from. And you can see here, in regards to those 9 search queries or prompts, 70% of them, the citations were from brands like our company Neuraladx Ltd, and the remaining percentage was coming from, say, news media, social media, blog posts and community forums, etc. So this lets you see where the AI generative engine platforms are actually choosing to select the citations from. So that's another helpful resource there. Okay. So in essence, what you can see from this video is, as a client of ours per se, you could let us know, for example, the 10 key search terms or AKA prompts that are really crucial to your business that you want to be mentioned and cited in by AI platforms. We can then obviously go away, apply our generative engine optimization to your website, and then we can track via this software just how well our implementations are doing. So you see, this software is absolutely brilliant because it gives us the opportunity to identify exactly the search terms, aka prompts, that you want, and then we can do everything we can to provide you with the best results possible. And then this software allows us to factually prove to you the work that we are doing is effective and is providing you with new customers from the viewpoint that we can clarify how many brand mentions you're having in the AI platforms, and also how many times the links to your website are being cited to the users in those AI platforms. Okay. All right, well, I think that's enough for now. If you have any questions or queries, please do leave me a message. And yes, that will be all for now. So see you in the next one. Thank you very much indeed. Bye-bye.